I just want to go over the general process first. My name is Robert Del Torro. I'm the Director of Fines, Penalties, and Forfeitures for Customs and Border Protection. I'm here with Amelia Castelli. She's the Deputy Director of FP&F. And the general process for CBP is basically we take a role that we adjudicate legal cases and we handle the final disposition of forfeited property. So we're the ones who either work with the judicial system on legal cases, but we definitely handle the disposition of seized items. So anything that's seized by Customs and Border Protection, the federal government, is handled through our operation. CBP, like I said, we may have seized freighters that have been adjudicated or forfeited to the government, either through administrative means or judicial process. Internally, once this occurs and these vessels or freighters are forfeited, internally, we deem certain freighters as potential candidates for donation for reef purposes. When this occurs, we reach out to our external county and state partners doing this that may have interest and ability to efficiently get these types of projects accomplished. We'll work with our state and county partners coordinating logistical issues such as transfer, storage, and time of the work for reef preparation to be completed. We do have that requirement that we have to be involved with the process, overseeing the process, and ensuring final disposition has occurred for this freighter or freighters. And what that means is we want to see it sunk. So we'll work with the counties, we'll work with the state, and we'll develop a plan with them, a timeline. And once we donate these freighters, the expectation from our part is just to have this freighter sunk bottom of the ocean. That's our what we need to have done. We'll monitor all actions and witness the final disposition, as I said. Keep in mind, many of these freighters may have been involved or used during illegal activities. They may have secret compartments that have been welded shut, all sorts of exciting stories, behind these freighters. Deputy Castelli is going to hand out some documentation on the last two freighters that we worked with our state and county partners to get donated. One is still pending the actual sinking up in Volusia County. One was in 2016, one was in 2017, and we definitely hope to have one for 2018. We welcome the opportunity to work with external partners for this positive cause. When we have freighters that fit the profile, we'll work to donate them. We want to assist. We want to help as long as they fit the profile, get them transferred. What are our goals? Our goals are to maintain an up-to-date network of locations through the state and county that can get this accomplished with us. To continue these partnerships, we want to make sure that we continue having an open source for everyone. We're partnering with everyone. We're all here for the same goal. And find ways to assist with this important cause. She had two handouts she's handing out. One was May 2016. It's the MV Anna Cecilia, and that was a 170-foot marine general cargo ship. These freighters do have value to them, but we don't look at the value. We actually look at the feasibility of this becoming a reef, what the needs are for the state, the county, and how we can work with them and partner with them to get it accomplished. So we do this, but it's hit or miss with our agency. There's sometimes we don't have what's needed out there, or we don't make the seizures to have the quantity, or sometimes it's feast or famine. So basically, we can have a lot coming up. We're kind of dry right now. So one of the main keys to this whole process to work is just having the ability to have it accomplished. You have to kind of wait, be patient, but something can pop up rather quickly. We've had times where 2 or 3 pop up in the same month. We go through the adjudication process, judicial, administrative. We make sure all those I's are dotted and T's are crossed, and then we're ready to transfer. So it's hard to predict what we're going to have in the future, but we know there will be more. Our enforcement actions do take us up that road where we do have these freighters, and we do like to see them sunk as artificial reefs, helping the community. So one she handed out was the MV Anna Cecilia. You could see it was a 170-foot general cargo ship, and we transferred that back in May of 2016, and that went to Palm Beach County, and Jenna was very instrumental with working with us on that one. She had mentioned it's one of the last ones, I think, south on the actual pathway. And then we have one that we transferred in July of 2017. We transferred to Volusia County, and that one was the Lady Philomena. And I'm hearing in the next, hopefully next month or so, month or two, that one will be sunk off the coast of Volusia County, which will be up there. And that's a good one. That's a 167-foot general cargo ship. I think during someone's presentation here, I think what we transfer and donate normally fits the bill because these ships, although some may be in poor condition, are seaworthy. They've come into our country, they're on the water, and they are seaworthy. So there may be some cleanup involved or some testing that has to be accomplished to ensure they meet the requirement. But these are pretty good freighters. And, you know, like I said, we don't look at the value, we look at more of the feasibility of how it could help the environment, how it could help our state and local partners, and we'll do it. We're there. So again, we want to network with everybody, be involved. When something comes up, we usually can send Keith an email, and he blasts it out to everyone. So just keep on the lookout. We are looking. We don't have anything as of right now, but we are looking for 2018. Any questions? Okay.
Does anyone have any questions for Robert?
Yes, sir.
How many ships have you donated over the years?
I've been with Customs and Border Protection 30 years, and I would say in the last 15 years, I would say 5 to 7 or 8. Miami-Dade County was a while back, about 20 years ago. That's when I started getting involved with the actual freighter sinkings. Miami-Dade County, we had 2. We had one off of Deerfield Beach a couple of years back, one in Palm Beach County. So we do have many.